Hi, I want to show you a way to use a lot less terps when you're cleaning enamel paint off a brush and get a better result too. Most people actually think you need to use enough terps to cover right up and over the metal part of the brush. You don't. It's a lot of terps. You're basically drowning your brush in solvent and it's not good for the brush at all. You only need a fraction of that amount. You just have to have the right container. This is the BruKon brush cleaner. It's designed to clean brushes using a fraction of the cleaning fluid. How to use it is a simple process. You slide the washer and the lid onto the brush. Use about a cupful of terps, all you should need. Then attach the brush and adjust it so it's just touching the liquid but not touching the bottom, like that. Then give it a decent shake, or in the case of a straight handled brush like this, a jog up and down to get the process started. The terps and the fumes stay in the container and your hands stay clean. In a few minutes you've got a clean brush, look at that, and you've used a fraction of the cleaning fluid. You can check them out on the BruKon website. Happy painting!